Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is take my treseme heat tamer spray, and it's really important that you use some sort of heat protectant whenever you're using heat on your hair, and then you just want to brush it through. And then I'm just separating my hair in half with just a big clip. You don't have to do this part, but I find it adds a lot of body and organizes the process of waving your hair, or curling or straightening, whatever you're doing. Now I'm just spraying just a little bit of the treseme firm hold hairspray and then brushing it out. I like to use this before I wave my hair, and then I just do a light spray at the end. Just finds that it gives my hair a little bit of grip. And I'm using this Revlon 3-barrel waver, and I have it on high. I purchased this at Target, but you could find it at Walmart or your local drugstore. And I'm starting not totally at the root, but close. And you just want to hold it there for a couple of seconds. And then you want to move it down. And I kind of like to hold the hair that's not being waved, just so it doesn't fall or slip out of the waver. And then you just want to wave that last little piece. So that was the first section done, and I'm just going to speed up the rest of my hair. One key to making this hairstyle really work well is to not have fresh, clean hair. I washed my hair the day before this, and you want your hair to have a little bit of natural oil in it, because when you shampoo it, it strips your hair of all its natural oils. And I find that when you have a little bit of dirt in your hairstyle is so much better, because it's not as silky and it's not as fine as it is when you first wash it. So I would recommend having a little bit of dirt in your hair. If your hair gets greasy on the second day, then feel free to use a dry shampoo. And as I get closer to the top of my head, I like to move the barrel closer to the roots of my hair. So on this top section, I try to get it as close as I can to the roots of my hair. And be careful not to burn yourself around your face. And I'm just re-waving this top section. And one thing that I found, if you kind of split whatever side you have the most hair on as your side parting, if you split that into a couple of sections, you can get it closer to the actual like scalp of your head, and it gives it a lot more volume. And I'm just checking to see if I missed any pieces, and I missed one. Now I'm just fluffing it out with my fingers. You can part your hair to your normal parting, and I'm just taking my brush and lightly brushing the waves out just to make sure that they don't look so uniformed. And now I'm taking my bangs and teasing them a little bit, and then taking the crown and teasing that a little bit as well. There's already a lot of volume added when you wave your hair in sections, so you don't need to tease a lot, just a little bit. Make sure the top is smoothed, and then hairspray a little bit. And I'm just taking this pretty clip and clipping my bangs in with the rest of my hair because I didn't like the way that the wave and them turned out. And I'm just spraying a light spray over my bangs to make sure that they stay in place. And yeah, that's the finished look. I hope you guys like, and rate, comment, and subscribe.